Allow me to present to you a comprehensive exploration of my identity, experiences, and aspirations in this intricately woven tapestry we call life. In this discourse, I intend to navigate the contours of my past, illuminate the present, and cast a hopeful gaze into the future. My journey is an amalgamation of diverse influences, each thread contributing to the unique fabric that is me. I hail from a quaint town nestled in the embrace of nature, a place where the rustling leaves and babbling brooks compose the melody of everyday life. Childhood memories bloom in the garden of my mind, adorned with the vibrant flowers of innocence and wonder. The nurturing environment of my early years sculpted the foundation of my character, instilling values of resilience, curiosity, and compassion. As the seasons changed, so did the landscape of my life. The transition from adolescence to adulthood marked a period of self-discovery and exploration. The corridors of academia became my playground, where I delved into the realms of knowledge, unlocking the doors to a myriad of disciplines. Literature, science, history, and philosophy became the pillars supporting my intellectual edifice, shaping my worldview and fostering a love for learning that continues to flourish. Language, the quintessential tool of communication, holds a special place in my heart. Its nuances, intricacies, and the power it wields in shaping perceptions have always fascinated me. English, with its rich tapestry of vocabulary and grammar, emerged as a linguistic haven where I found solace and expression. The rhythmic dance of words on the canvas of sentences became my preferred mode of articulation, a form of self-expression that transcends the barriers of time and space. In the vast expanse of my experiences, relationships have played a pivotal role. Friendships, familial bonds, and romantic entanglements have etched indelible imprints on the canvas of my heart. These connections, like constellations in the night sky, have illuminated my path, guiding me through the labyrinth of emotions and human intricacies. The ebb and flow of interpersonal dynamics have taught me invaluable lessons, fostering emotional intelligence and resilience in the face of adversity. Professionally, my endeavors have been akin to a meandering river seeking its course through the topography of my career. From the cocoon of academia to the dynamic realm of the professional arena, each transition has been a metamorphic process, refining my skills and expanding my horizons. The challenges encountered in the professional sphere have been stepping stones, propelling me towards growth and self-realization. Beyond the realms of personal and professional spheres, my worldview has been shaped by a myriad of cultural influences. Travel, literature, and exposure to diverse perspectives have broadened the scope of my understanding, fostering a sense of global citizenship. The mosaic of cultures, traditions, and ideologies that I have encountered on my journey has enriched my perspective, dissolving the boundaries of ethnocentrism and fostering a spirit of inclusivity. In the crucible of life, I have discovered the transformative power of resilience. Challenges, setbacks, and moments of despair have been catalysts for growth, forging the steel of my determination and the diamond of my character. The tapestry of my life is adorned with the threads of perseverance, each strand contributing to the intricate design that defines my essence. As I stand at the crossroads of past and present, with the future beckoning on the horizon, I am filled with a profound sense of gratitude. Gratitude for the lessons learned, the relationships forged, and the myriad experiences that have shaped me into the person I am today. The journey is far from over, and as I embark on the road ahead, I carry with me the lessons of the past, the joys of the present, and the aspirations that illuminate the path forward. In conclusion, this narrative serves as a testament to the mosaic of my existence, a collage of experiences, emotions, and aspirations. Through the pages of my introduction, I invite you to traverse the landscapes of my life, to explore the intricate patterns that define me. It is my sincere hope that this discourse provides not only a glimpse into my world, but also sparks reflections on the tapestry of your own existence.